Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is measurement of elasticity of demand, and our first method of measuring elasticity of demand is point method, or which is also called geometric method of measuring elasticity of demand. Under this method, how to measure elasticity of demand, let's explain this. So we will simply write here, under this method elasticity of demand is measured on straight line demand करो, straight line demand करो तो इस मेथड में हम लास्ट ऑफ डिमांड मेजर करते हैं, हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन डिमांड करो डालते हैं, उस पर हम लास्ट ऑफ डिमांड मेजर करते हैं. एंड बट इलास्टिक इज मेजर्ड, बट दैट इज इलास्टिक ऑफ डिमांड इज मेजर्ड in terms of fractions, in terms of fractions, that is elasticity of demand हम फ्रैक्शन में मेजर करते हैं, that is in elasticity of demand is lower segment of demand करो is divided by the upper segment of demand करो. upper segment जो हमारा लोअर सेगमेंट डिमांड करेगा होगा उसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं अपर सेगमेंट से. कैसे? लेट्स एक्सप्लेन द कांसेप्ट हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डायग्राम. For example, if this is our demand curve, straight line demand curve, and we are supposed to measure last of demand at any point on straight line demand curve. Now let's suppose that we are measuring elastic demand at this demand curve d dash, and let's measure elastic of demand at point P here. Let's name this as point P. We suppose that point P is in the center of d dash. जो point P है, it is in the middle of d dash. How to measure elastic of demand here at this point? Let's measure this. We will measure elastic of demand at point P. Lower segment is divided by the upper segment, and we suppose P is in the center of d dash. पॉइंट P जो है ये सेंटर ऑफ d डैश है, सच दैट d डैश P जो है, जो लोअर सेगमेंट है d डैश P इज इक्वल टू dP, एंड इलास्टिक ऑफ डिमांड एट P इज इक्वल टू लोअर सेगमेंट डिवाइडेड बाय अपर सेगमेंट. सो लोअर सेगमेंट इज d डैश P, upper segment is dP. So we know that d dash P is equal to dP. जो डिनोमिनेटर है इट इज इक्वल टू न्यूमरेटर. इफ डिनोमिनेटर 2 होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल न्यूमरेटर भी 2 होगा, 2 1s are 2, so elastic of demand here, elastic of demand comes equal to 1. So here elastic of demand is equal to 1. So at a point where the demand curve is divided by simply in two parts, equally two parts, the elastic of demand at that point comes equal to 1. That is unitary elastic demand. So this is at point P. Now let's suppose we will measure elastic of demand like this point, at point P1. Now at point P1, how to measure elastic of demand? We will write here elastic of demand at P1 is lower segment is divided by upper segment. Lower segment of the demand curve, that is from D dash to P1. D dash P1, it is equal to D dash P1 divided by dP1. dP1. So D dash P1, as we already told, that elastic of demand is measured in terms of fractions. Lower segment is divided by the upper segment. The lower segment is D dash P1 and upper segment is dP1, and we know that D dash P1 is greater than dP1. D dash P1 जो है ये dP1 से बहुत ज्यादा है. It is visible in the diagram. When the denominator is lower than the numerator, then simply we can say it comes more than 1. So we will write here elastic of demand is greater than 1. So we will write here elastic of demand is greater than 1. So elastic of demand above the middle point of the demand curve comes greater than 1. Now let's measure here elastic of demand here. Let's name this as P2. At P2, elastic of demand at P2 is equal to lower segment is D dash P2. इसका जो नीचे वाला segment है it is D dash P2. D dash P2 divided by upper segment है dP2. dP2, and we know here that D dash P2 जो हमारा अपर सेगमेंट है, इट इज लेस देन dp2 upper segment से कम है. So we will write here simply we can say elasticity of demand is less than 1. Here elasticity of demand comes equal to less than 1. Now let's measure elasticity of demand at a point where the demand curve touches x-axis. For example, it touches here that point. The point where the demand curve touches x-axis, we will write it here. Elasticity of demand at a point where demand curve, that is d dash, touches x-axis is equal to lower segment. इसका lower segment कुछ नहीं है, that is d dash divided by upper segment d dash. So lower segment it is simply we can see it is 0 and upper it is nothing. So जब हम 0 को divide करेंगे किसी और से तो it comes equal to 0. So here we can say that here elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Here elasticity of demand is equal to 0. And now let's measure elasticity of demand here at point D. At point D, where it touches simply y-axis. So at point D, we will write lower segment is d dash divided by upper segment. Upper segment is d. So d dash is, it is a number here, but d is nothing. D is 0. For example, if d is, for suppose if this is d dash is 5 centimeter, for suppose d is 0, it comes equal to infinity. That is non-defined. So here we can say here elasticity of demand is equal to infinity. That means it cannot be defined. So elasticity of demand here is equal to infinity. So we come to the conclusion that there are 5 points on the demand curve. At the middle of the point, elasticity of demand comes equal to 1. At above the point, it comes greater than 1, and while it touches y-axis, it comes equal to infinity. And below the point, middle point, it comes less than 1. And at a point where it touches x-axis, it comes equal to 0. This is the measurement of elasticity of demand by point method. Thank you.